Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&F FOREX Traders. I'm here with a trade forecast on EURJPY about 22 risk reward ratio, 3 pips stop loss, and 78 pips target. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Awesome. So what we have here is a really nice looking setup right here. Let me break down what I'm looking for and everything else. So so if you can go to the 2-hour time frame right here and zoom out. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame right here, you can clearly see that the trend of this particular trade has been to the upside, right? You can even pull up those who like using indicators like the M8 200. You can see that this is trending to the upside. That is really important to note, right? So when you zoom out right here, you're going to realize that we had something significant happening right here. We had a nice drop based rally. So that's much more clear on the lower time frame. You can see that on the 2-hour time frame right here, we had a nice drop based rally. Here it's not really clear, so we have to drop all the way to the 30-minute time frame for you to get a clear direction of where the market was going, right? So we had a drop based rally with the break of structures to the upside. We had a QML higher high, QML lower low, and lower high right there. The market broke structure to the upside, creating momentum candles to the upside, which is always important because you know that it leaves behind structure where the market usually comes back to. Something to note as well here is that the market left behind these two equal lows which are left behind right here. So we had this one and this one right there, and you can see that the market just took them out a bit and pushed the upside. And you can see that when the market was taking this out right here, it left also behind some liquidity right here. So what we are anticipating on EURJPY is for the market to come and take out this liquidity right here, and this one completely, then potentially come into our zone right here to actually take buys from this level right here. Let me show you on the lower time frame where we were able to actually go down and actually have our order block. So let's see on the 1-minute time frame. Let's see what was happening right there. So if you come here and actually zoom out from here, you can see that we followed that last candle of broke structure right here. You see that last candle which was left behind was this candle right here. That's the candle that we chose as the order block. So right now we'll wait for price to come into this zone, and once the market comes into our zone, we'll be able to execute this particular trade right here. So far it's a really beautiful trade. We have we're trading in the direction of the major trend, which is the upside. We have big momentum candles breaking structure, leaving behind our order block. We have liquidity which were partially taken out, and then we also another liquidity was left behind right here, and we see the market coming down aggressively. So we're going to look out for this particular trade. As always, these setups are going to be shared in our private community, in our mentorship community, and you know how it is, you guys. And if you'd like to be part of the M&F mastery community, you have to actually get the mastery course, right, which is the first link in the description, and it gives you lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and a lot more benefits like audiobooks and Trading Psychology by Mark Douglas, both the discipline trader and trading in the zone, right? Like I always say, guys, on a trade by trade basis, it's all random. We have no idea what's going to happen. As long as we know we have the confidence in our strategy, as long as we keep on executing our setups, we are going to be profitable. And that's the confidence that you need in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader. So you can see right here, this is a beautiful setup, a 1 to 22 risk reward ratio. Like I've said, when it's ready, it's going to be shared in our private signals community and also in our mentorship community. I hope you found value from this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.